Welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to discuss the basics of ResNet here. I already discussed something. So here we are going to see the fundamental of ResNet. ResNet, what is ResNet? That is residual neural network. It's a type of CNN and one of the successful model 2 here. And this network ResNet consists of various versions like ResNet 50, ResNet 101, ResNet 152 here. Here the 152 represent the number of layers here. And why you go for ResNet? Because it's one of the very popular CNN model where helpful to resolve the vanishing gradient problem here. And it always consists of a residual connections here. Here the residual connections always helpful to maintain the information flow between the network here. So we are going to discuss on the fundamental, not architecture today. And the problem vanishing gradient says about the thing like optimization challenges and gradient diminishment, accuracy issues, training difficulty. Here, generally the deep networks have much problem when you go for optimizing a gradient vanish here. So optimization is the one where always helpful to get the best results from the given input here like that. And these also may back propagate through layers and accuracy issues because as you have a good network, you can avoid the vanishing gradient issue and increase the one and so on. And training difficulties there because these kind of problems affect the deep neural network training and always make the ineffective status also. And the ResNet solution. So here the ResNet consists of a ResNet, that means the residual blocks, where always comes with the skip connections followed by residual learning, another one called mathematical form here. So here, what is skip connection? These are the one always give the shortcuts or easiest cut way or path that always allow the gradient to flow freely the backward here. So whatever the is the network is there, you can train with the ResNet and you can follow this one. And here the residual function always are to the input x where follow the formula that is h of x equal to f of x plus x and simplifying the gradient flow here. And this ResNet, we go for ResNet because it always try to give you the better results and number of parameters. So if you go for ResNet work, you can utilize the few parameters only. With the help of few parameters, you can train the network well and go for the better performance. And then variance. So if you come to the ResNet, the variance is there like ResNet 18 onwards to 152 layers here. And the building blocks where I just now informed that is it always consists of a convolution, batch normalization, and reload units too. These are the fundamental things where discussed in the CNN batch here. And stacking here. Here multiple residual blocks are also combined to deepen the network here. And moreover, this kind of network always helpful to improve the accuracy with deeper architecture enabled by the ResNet. So once go for the ResNet architecture, what kind of things we can do means generally if we say about the image where we can identify the object in the image, that is also possible with the ResNet here. And benefits of ResNet or use of ResNet, you can say it always support the very deep training and because it's always support the training network over the 100 layers effectively and solve gradient issues in the starting only told and improved accuracy because once compared to the other CNN model, it will successfully give the good results and outperform well once compared to the other CNN model here and faster convergence. Here, it quickly achieve the training results compared to the old models here. On ResNet performance, now they're saying there will be some of the metrics and the errors is that is called top 5 error rate, where he's saying the achieved 3.5% error only, and also matching human level accuracy. So as a human doing the work and drain the network, similarly ResNet also perform well. So and some of the application we can say once come to the field of computer vision, where we can use ResNet, any ResNet for object detection and segmenting the images and face identification also recognition. So And once come to the point of transfer planning, where we can use the pre-trained ResNet, and also help to train in the new task here. So we can combine the transfer learning with ResNet any model here. And industries, once come to the point of industries, where we can apply in the healthcare, security area, and autonomous driving too here. And research influence, because it's always inspire and have the successful results. So we can go for deeper learning models here. So once one means we can later can combine the ResNet as well as the DenseNet and everything for the accuracy here. So once come the medical field, where you can use this ResNet for identify the lesions and so on. So I hope that you understand what is ResNet and why we need a ResNet and what are the use of skip connections and what is the use of residual connections and so on. If you like the video, please subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.